I hear a strange noise. I stop moving. The lights go off. My heart beats fast. I look around slowly. The room feels cold. I feel scared. I call out softly. No one answers me. The noise comes again. I walk to the door. My hands feel cold. I open the door slowly. The hallway is dark. I take a step forward. I hear a sound behind me. I turn around fast. No one is there. I feel very nervous. I see something move. I freeze in place. I cannot breathe well. I look closer. I see a shadow. It moves again. My heart beats louder. I turn on the light. The room is bright now. I look again. I see the window open. The wind is strong. The curtain moves fast. The shadow is gone. I feel confused. I check the room. I walk to the table. I see my cat there. It looks at me. It jumps suddenly. I feel surprised. Then I laugh softly. I feel a little silly. I close the window slowly. It was just my cat. I feel calm again.